Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benlow here with a little sneak peek into what to expect for Unit 4. Remember, Unit 4 is a very big unit and a very important unit because of Unit 4 discussion board. And we will be getting into that in 1 second. Okay, so office hour chat schedule this week is as follows. Monday, which will be October 26th, I will hold my office hour from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on Tuesday, October 27th, I will be holding chat number 4 at our regularly scheduled time. So check out our classroom for those details. Okay, everybody, you should have already turned in your Unit 3 Determined Knowledge. That was due on Friday, October 23rd. So the remaining Unit 3 due date that you have is Tuesday, October 27th. You will have your Unit 3 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so Unit 4 due dates. Remember, Unit 4 is very, very important because of your Unit 4 discussion board. You have 2 important assignments, writing assignments this semester. You have your Unit 2 discussion board, which you should have already done. If you have not completed that, please do so as soon as possible. So Unit 4 due dates, you have 2 important things due on Friday, October 30th. Firstly, you have your Unit 4 Determined Knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on Friday, October 30th, you will have your Unit 4 Discussion Board Original Post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. That is where you pick a topic, the primary document you want to analyze, and you write about that. Okay, so then on Tuesday, which will be November 3rd, Election Day, you have 2 things that are going to be due in this class. Firstly, on November 3rd, you have your Unit 4 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, you have Tuesday, November 3rd, you have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And a discussion board responses is where you respond to your fellow classmates. You have to respond to 2 classmates. And remember, everybody, each of your response posts must be 100 words in length. And don't get intimidated by that. You won't have a problem with that if you tailor your post to your classmate and you answer the questions that you see in the directions. Okay? Like I said, I love my students. Y'all are very supportive of one another, but just don't leave it at, you did a great job, Amanda. I really enjoyed reading your post and you answered all the questions. Can't wait to read more of your work. Okay, well, that's awesome and very supportive. You need to tailor your post to your classmates' post and answer the questions and the directions, and you will have absolutely no problem getting in the 100-word requirement. All right, everybody, get diligently working on that Unit 4 DB and feel free to ask me absolutely any questions. Have a wonderful week, everybody.